Guys, welcome to Calculus Daily, episode 11. We're looking at 4 achieved questions, 1 in algebra, 2 in differentiation, and 1 in integration. So this question, all they're asking you is complex numbers u and v are shown, and they're asking you to show w on the Argand diagram. So your first step is to figure out what u is. Now you can see that u is equal to minus 2 plus 3i. Is that all right? Okay, and then you've got v there. V equals 2 minus 1i, because that's at minus 1. Is that okay? Now it says w equals u minus v. So make sure, and this is the important part, have a look if you haven't done this question before. You got to make sure you put v in the bracket. So in other words, you got negative 2 plus 3i minus 2 minus i. And when you do this, you get negative 2 plus 3i minus 2 plus 1i. Combine them together, you got minus 4 plus 4i, which means w is going to be at minus 4 and 4, which is right there. That's all you need to do for an achieved. Okay, so if you ever see an Argand diagram question like this, guys, you should be like, this is the easiest problem that you're going to get, and you should just do it straight away. Questions on this? Yep.
We can do the whole thing in the calculator and just put them on.
Yep, you can do the whole thing in the calculator and just put it, just put the point. That's it. That's fine for achieved. Next question. Okay, next one. I've actually listed down 2 questions for you guys. Like I said, we'll start working on 2 questions. So with the first one, differentiation of this is going to be sec squared x squared plus 1 multiplied by the differentiation of this, which is 2x, and that's it. You're done with that question. Okay, another easiest achieved question you'll ever get in an exam.
You need 6 achieves, right?
Yes, like I told you guys, it's a lot easier to get merits than achieved.
Thank you.
It's just
Confidence boost.
yeah. Okay, so for the second question, it says find the gradient of the tangent to this function at the point where x equals to 0. So if you have f of x, which is ln of 3x minus e to the power of x, you differentiate this, you're going to get, because it's natural log, you're going to get 1 over 3x minus ex multiplied by the differentiation of this. And the differentiation of that inside whatever the bracket
3 minus
is just 3 minus ex. So now it's asking you to find the gradient of the tangent. Okay, you're not completed here. You still got to find the gradient when the point where x equals to 0. So we're looking for f dash of 0. So then we have 1 over 3 times 0 minus e to the power of 0 multiplied by 3 minus e to the power of 0.
no, 1.
E to the power of 0 is 1. So we got 0 minus 1 multiplied by 3 minus 1. So you have 2 divided by negative 1, which equals negative 2. And that's it. Guys, just be careful with these ones. Sometimes they ask you for equation of the tangent. If they ask you for the equation of the tangent, then you actually have to work out the y value, put it in the straight line equation and work it out as well. Any questions on this one? Shall we move on? Okay, next question. We've got, what is it? Find the integral.
Is that definite integral by chance?
Yes, it is. It is definite integral. So because it's definite integral, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this. I'm going to put this as x.
Yeah. So
Oh, sorry. So 1, 3x to the power of half dx. Is that okay? Because remember that 3 is not actually inside the square root. Because if it looked like this, if the 3 was inside, then this would be x to the power of 1/3. Because the 3 is actually outside, there's going to be 3 multiplied by x to the power of half. Alright? So integrating this, I'm just going to make it to 0.5 because I like working with decimals. It's just a lot easier. So I've got 3x 0.5 plus 1 divided by 0.5 plus 1 and all that it's between k and 1. So this is equal to 3x to the power of 1.5 divided by 1.5. We okay so far? So this could be written as 3 divided by 1.5 is 2. So we got 2x 1.5, and that's between k and 1. So the integral is equal to 2k to the power of 1.5 minus 2 times 1 to the power of 1.5. Now 1 to the power of 1.5 is 1. So we have 2k 1.5 minus 2. And we have answer in terms of k. That's it.
I thought answer in terms means make K the subject.
Now it says giving your answer in terms of k. Okay. If they say, but the thing is, had they in the same question, like for this to be a merit, they would give you like this whole thing equals an area. So it could be like, I don't know, like 15 units squared, and then find k. Then that would be, remember we did that a few sessions ago,
Differential equations?
definite integrals, but it'll be like, it'll come up as merit.
Yeah.
Questions on this one? We're good? Okay, that's it for this session, guys. Thanks.